Every time you scroll through a social media feed, there it is. That one ad promising to solve every single problem a man could possibly face. It claims to fix your gym gains, your energy levels, your focus, and even your performance behind closed doors. They call it Staminox. It is framed as this incredible all-in-one upgrade for your entire life. It sounds like a secret weapon, but the reality feels a lot more like a classic marketing trap designed to catch you in a moment of weakness. This product is marketed as a dual-action breakthrough. They say it can boost testosterone, increase physical strength, and improve your mood all at once. That is a massive, staggering list of promises for a single bottle of supplements. We are talking about incredibly complex biological systems. Your hormones do not just flip like a light switch because you swallowed a few herbs and amino acids. The sales page is covered in bold text and flashy graphics. But where is the actual proof? I looked for clinical trials. I searched for peer-reviewed studies. I hunted for any kind of published lab data. I found absolutely nothing. There is no hard evidence backing up these specific claims for this specific formula. This is a massive red flag that should make anyone pause. Real medical outcomes require rigorous testing. Not just a fancy website and a catchy name. They tell you that you will see noticeable results in as little as 7 to 14 days. Let's be honest. That is just not how the human body functions. Real muscle growth and significant hormonal shifts take months of consistency, not a week and a half. If a product claims it can mimic the effects of prescription medication without a doctor, it needs to provide prescription-level evidence to back it up. Staminox simply does not do that. Instead, it relies on vague, subjective terms like mental clarity and confidence. These are easy to promise because they are almost impossible to measure objectively. If you happen to feel slightly better one morning, they claim the pill is a miracle. It is a psychological trick used to bypass your critical thinking. Then there is the natural label. People see that word and automatically assume it means safe. That is a dangerous assumption to make. Plenty of things in nature are toxic. Without independent lab reports or toxicology data, we have no idea what is really inside those capsules or how they might interact with other medications. The marketing also uses high-pressure tactics to keep you from doing your research. You see countdown timers, limited stock warnings, and huge discounts that supposedly expire in minutes. It is a high-speed funnel designed to make you panic and click that buy button. They want your credit card number before you have a chance to ask a single skeptical question. You will see plenty of 5-star reviews on their own page, but try finding a verified, independent review on a neutral platform. They are nowhere to be found. This looks like a classic case of an overhyped supplement funnel. It targets men who are looking for an edge, but it offers zero scientific backing in return. You deserve much better than expensive placebos and empty promises. If a solution sounds too good to be true, it almost always is. Don't let a slick marketing campaign replace your common sense. Real health comes from consistency, nutrition, and evidence-based medicine, not from a mystery bottle with a massive list of claims and no data to support them. Be careful where you put your trust, because these companies are experts at selling a dream while delivering a total dud, and your wallet is the only thing that will end up feeling lighter.